Feeling like giving up? Let the story of Jesus inspire you to keep going. His story teaches us the power of resilience and trust in God. Jesus faced opposition from those who did not believe in his message. Despite this, he remained steadfast and continued to preach God's word with patience and dedication. Imagine being in his place, facing rejection, yet continuing your mission with unwavering faith. Jesus performed many miracles by God's permission, such as healing the sick and bringing the dead back to life. Yet he endured great trials and hardship. Even with divine support, he faced immense difficulties. His life reminds us that even with support, challenges are part of the journey. Throughout his life, Jesus exemplified incredible patience and commitment. He faced doubts and criticisms, but remained devoted to his mission. His perseverance teaches us to keep our faith strong, even when the path is tough and the journey seems long. Jesus' story shows us the importance of trusting in God's plan. Despite the struggles, Jesus knew that God's wisdom was greater than any difficulty he faced. This trust helped him remain focused and continue his work. Jesus' teachings and life continue to inspire millions. His story is a testament to the power of faith, patience, and resilience. By following his example, we learn that with trust in God and perseverance, we can overcome any obstacle. So if you feel like giving up, remember the story of Jesus. Ask yourself, if I give up now, what could I miss out on? You're here because you haven't given up. Keep pushing, and you too can achieve greatness. Drop a 100 if you're still with me. You're part of the 0.01% who finish what they start. If you're serious about changing your life, join our movement by hitting that follow button.